guys, Mike from MADNESS Autoworks here, and today we're going to be installing our Power Plus module on our 2023 Ford Bronco. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, make sure you have the harness and the module. You can set the module aside for right now. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take loose this connection here. There's a sliding tab on it. You're just going to push that tab back, and then you can pinch and remove, just like so. And now you can take the 3-pin portion of your harness and plug it in to that sensor. Make sure that locks. And then take the other end of the T-harness and plug it in to the original plug. And make sure you slide that lock back into place. Now on the driver's side of the motor, there is a 4-pin connector right here. Go ahead and slide that back and pull the connector. And now you can install your T-harness into this map sensor. Now that you've got all the wiring done, you can go ahead and install your Power Plus module. Alrighty, everything seems to be working fine, so we're going to go ahead and take it for a drive. Notice a huge difference. The power carries way further through the RPMs and it just comes on a little stronger. And that's how you install the Power Plus on your 2.3 liter Bronco. If you have any questions, give us a call, visit our website or any of our 2 in-store locations. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.